That is the extreme overbought, extreme overbought. Here is the overbought. Here is almost touching the extreme overbought. Nasdaq is in a strong rally previously. Look at the rally here. We have a strong rally, breaking out, pullback, tested access line, and then straight to the upside. In terms of the vibrant movement, the impulsiveness, this segment is comparable to here and probably better than here. If we say that's 1, that's 2, that's 3. 2 and 3 is similar. 3 is better than 1. 3 is similar than 2. In terms of the velocity, it looks similar. In terms of the aggressiveness, we look at the channel board. Here is reaching the extreme overbought. Here is touching the overbought, the first overbought line. And after that, did we see any pullback or the reaction? Not really. That's coming out from a base, breaking out, have a test, and then starting to go up. After it hit the channel overbought, there's the first overbought line. And here is the pullback. Here's a pullback. And it keeps grinding along this channel overbought line until we see there is a stall in the momentum and also a break below this support line. Then we have a quick sell-off with increasing of the supply. In terms of the supply level, we have quite a high supply level that's close to 900K. We can compare it to this bar here, and this bar here, and also this bar. This bar might be more relevant because this is demand, and that's all the supply. That's the bar that we could compare. There are slightly more supply level selling off the top from here. Subsequently, have a reaction. Here is also similar. Subsequently, we also have a reaction throughout, but the reaction did not go all the way back to the access line support or go to the other end of the demand line. Instead, it keeps grinding the channel overbought line. That's overbought, first time overbought, second time overbought, pullback, third time overbought, pullback, fourth time, pullback, fifth time, and it started to slow down and faded the momentum, eventually have a breakdown, and then pullback, and quickly get bought up here. Started another rally. We enter into this extreme overbought. This is called overbought, and this is almost hitting the second line, which is an extreme overbought. That will be similar to this. Let's take a look at the previous rally. We have this rally go all the way into this extreme overbought condition. In terms of the supply level, I would classify this bar correspond to here. That's the similar supply level compared to the recent spike of the supply on last Thursday. This bar and also this rejection tells this 2 bar could be similar to last Thursday's change operator bar. We have this bar here and also this bar here as well. These 2 bar have a similar volume to last Thursday bar. After this, we do get some form of the consolidation and kickstart the August reaction. This is a 3 months long correction or a pullback, and then hitting the demand line. After that, it kickstarts the rally. In terms of the pullback, we could anticipate some form of the localized formation. For the first case, if we take a look here, this is a localized formation. It took first attempt, extreme overbought, have a reaction, and then another test with decreasing of the supply, attempt to rally up, go up higher, but because it already hit the extreme overbought, a lot of people selling into strength, taking profits, and that comes with increasing of the supply again and have another reaction. It took quite some time when it first approaching this extreme overbought condition. From here, there will be a month long of the formation, subsequently kickstart the reaction. Here is even longer. The momentum behind this rally is still strong. It took quite some time for it to react, have this sort of the reaction, keep grinding up, absorption until the momentum completely faded, and we have the sell-off that lasts for 2 months. That's 1 month. That's 2 months of the localized formation. Nasdaq 100 hits between the extreme overbought and also the overbought line. Just hitting this zone, and then now it's coming back. And similar type of the volume. The volume is similar with the previous. We have a few bars, similar volume. I expect some similarity based on the past analog. The first is back in last year, June. Second is this year, starting February. We are seeing this channel overbought, and this is a current pullback. And I wouldn't expect sharp reversal, mainly because there is a very strong momentum behind the previous rally. Look at this rally. We compare the 3 segment here. This is similar type of the momentum, very strong momentum. Especially 2 and 3 is similar, especially with the acceleration to the upside, Given the strong momentum behind, it's likely for it to take some time to break. We already see the first general overbought. We could have this condition to keep grinding up and down, or at least to have another test going into the high, similar to last year, June, something like this. This is what we could be referring to. Right now, I don't see very threatening supply apart from last Thursday bar. This is significant, but subsequently, this is not quite impressive. The bear is not showing up yet. We have a rollover here. That's why we see the gap up. I would expect a support that will be at least somewhere around here to here. That is a meaningful support level. We need to see whether we'll have a continuation of the push down. Supply has been decreasing slightly. I think after 3 days of the pullback or sell off, I wouldn't be surprised to see some relief rally or a technical rally, attempt to rally up and to see whether we could attract some more supply at 20K level and then to go down some more, or it could still grinding up like the previous analog. Based on the past analogs, this could be similar and expect some kind of the strong momentum to keep pushing unless we have extensive supply come in. Then there will be another story that will change this sort of the structure and it will quickly coming down to test the immediate support level, 18,800. That will be more meaningful. It's completely normal for it to go to the other end of the channel, which means to hit the demand line. I'm not that bearish to this pullback, although it looks extended. This is extended rally, and it's perfectly normal to have the pullback. We need to wait until it settles down.